Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In this lecture, I am going to teach you how to take a transpose of a given matrix. MATLAB is transposition operator for this purpose. So let's see how this transposition operator will work. Here I take a matrix A for an example, and transposition operator can be represented by this symbol. Here you can see above A, and I am going to save the transpose value of A in matrix B. And when I take transpose of matrix A, the number of rows and columns are going to interchange. So matrix A has 3 rows and 2 columns. So matrix B become 2 rows and 3 columns. So number of rows and columns are interchanged. It not only change number of rows and columns, but also interchange elements. And here you can see the first column of matrix A become first row of matrix B. In same way, second column of matrix A become second row of matrix B. And it is also going to interchange number of rows to number of columns, like this. So first row of matrix A become first column of B, and same way second row becomes second column, and third row become third column. While taking transposition of matrix, it not only changed the number of rows and columns, but it also swapped the indices of a given matrix, like this. The fourth number element of matrix A is at position of third row and first column. Now it become first row and third column. So number of indices of matrix A is swapped in matrix B, and you can also compare other elements. So in formula you can say matrix A Mn is going to become A transpose Nm. So now let's check in MATLAB. So let's create one matrix of name A. And you can take a transpose of matrix A by just typing this and save in variable B. So here you can see all rows of matrix A become column of matrix B, and all columns of matrix A become row of matrix B. So now let's check this transpose operator on some more matrix. Now let's take a transpose of matrix C, and here also all number of rows become number of columns, and number of columns become number of rows. If you have a column matrix, then this transpose operator going to make it row matrix. So here I have one column matrix. If I take a transpose of column matrix, then it become row matrix. And in the same way, if I have a row matrix, it is going to become a column matrix, like this. So here we end our session. See you next lecture. Goodbye.